Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're getting back with this old 318 that we got here for nothing. I mean, you can't pass up stuff for nothing. We were messing with it and he was getting it to turn, so we know it turns, but here's a little cheap deal for you. A lot of these 318s and the slant 6s, they have no bolt in the front of the crank. They're threaded for it, but they don't come with it. So if you go on and look on the internet there for the crankshaft dampener bolt, they call that, they want a little bit of money for it. I went down to the Tractor store and got this. It was $4. $4.79. This is a 3/4 inch by 2.5 inch, and it's 16 threads per inch. So it's standard, but it fits right in here. Got that washer for, I think it was $1. They're all grade 8, and it goes right in there. You can spend all that money, go online there, pay that. Some of them are 20, 30, all depends on what name's on them. This does the same thing for a lot cheaper. It's grade 8. You ain't going to use it for a lot of stuff, but I want to make sure this motor turns before I get too much further into it. Yep, she turns. She's got compression. She ain't locked up. I don't know the whole story about it, but it's got a double roller timing chain on it. 360 head. This is a 318. I believe it's 1970 block. I'm sure. But yeah, it turns, so we proceed on. We're going to make a few videos of this, taking this thing apart to see if we come across anything that we don't like. It is real clean inside, and it's unbelievable. Story has it, my friends around the corner, him and his son, went to the town south of us for, they were going to buy some swept line trucks. By the time they got to the estate sale, the trucks were already spoken for. But they wound up buying some motors. 4 motors, 3 big blocks, and this 318 was in on the deal. It's take all. They didn't want it, so they were going to take it to the scrapyard. They asked if I wanted it, and I took it. That was a while back, but as you can see, somebody changed the oil in this thing pretty regular. It's clean, real clean. So we're going to call this video part 1. So right there, that's just a little quickie how to save you a little money when you're doing these things, because nowadays money is getting tight. And you don't want to buy something for a lot of money. Thanks again, have a good one.